Big changes are coming to your UPI experience starting August 1st. From daily limits to autopay rules, everything is about to change. Stay tuned to know how these updates will affect your daily transactions. So, hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, limit on balance inquiries. You can now check your account balance only 50 times a day from a single UPI app. Number 2, from now, your recurring transactions will be processed only during non-peak hours. That means, even if you initiate the transactions during peak hours, the amount will still be deducted during non-peak hours. Number 3, autopay transactions will now be attempted only once, with up to 3 automatic retries if the first attempt fails. Number 4, you can now check how many bank accounts are linked to your UPI only 25 times per day. And number 5, if your transactions is pending or stuck, you can check its status only 3 times and that too with a 90 seconds gap between each attempt. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.